Cubase is a highly regarded digital audio workstation, DAW, that is favored by musicians, producers, and audio engineers for its powerful features and professional-grade tools. Whether you are working on music production, sound design, or mixing, Cubase provides a smooth and efficient environment for creating high-quality audio. One of the key strengths of Cubase is its robust MIDI capabilities. It allows for precise control over virtual instruments and synthesizers, making it a top choice for electronic music producers and composers. You can easily edit MIDI notes, adjust velocities, and automate virtually every aspect of your performance. The MIDI editor is intuitive and powerful, giving you the flexibility to create complex musical compositions. The program also excels in audio recording and editing. It offers high-quality audio tools, including pitch correction, time stretching, and advanced editing features like audio warping. The mixing console in Cubase is highly customizable, giving you full control over levels, panning, and effects, making it a great option for both small-scale projects and large productions. Overall, Cubase is an outstanding DAW for those who require professional-quality audio production. With its wide range of features for both MIDI and audio editing, as well as its customizable workflow, Cubase is a go-to tool for serious music creators and audio engineers. Whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a team, Cubase provides everything needed to create polished, high-quality sound.